Hello, hello, hello. I got this candle as part of a giveaway winning. And as you can see, I burned a lot of this candle. I lit it the night that I got it, and I've been burning it every day for at least 2 hours since. This is the Midnight Dreary candle. Cinnamon, cloves, and spice. It looks like this was a book box exclusive item, but the maker is Geeky Girl. So I will see if I can find a link and link that below. I will also link Jessie Miller Unboxing and More below. Please go check her out, show her some love and support. But yeah, this candle has been absolutely delightful. I've been enjoying it so much. You can really smell the cinnamon, you can really smell the cloves. It's just got such a really nice smell, and it burns really nicely. Like, it's burned perfectly, no problems whatsoever with the burn. So I would highly recommend candles from Geeky Girl. And yeah, let me know if you ever had their products before, what you thought of them. I'll see if I can find a link to her. I'll put it below. But I would give this candle a 5 out of 5 stars. Excellent, highly recommend, and would enjoy one of these again. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.